side. How's your tongue? You alright?
Yeah, let's get it off. I can't tell when you did it.
Good, good. Awesome. Flat on your back. Oh boy, that was well needed.
Yeah.
Oh, you're jumping right up. Okay.
Oh, you're okay. We're getting everybody. Family photos.
Well, it says I'm in charge.
Does he have little giraffes on his feet or something?
Turn to me.
And I said, you are in charge.
Yep. Flat on your back. Why don't you stay right there, Dad? No. Stay right there. Okay. Bend your knees up a little bit. Good. Oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah, relax.
Can you adjust him with the...
Yeah, we'll lay him right there. We're gonna lay him on that. Just lay him on his back. Yeah.
Should have brought the camera.
Oh, I'll give you a video. I'll give you a copy.
He looks like Rocky.
Hey, how you doing? Hey. Hey, Rock. How you doing, huh? He's gonna cry a little, so don't you guys get nervous, all right? And then hold him right there a little bit. Oh, there you go, right there. That's perfect. Oh, there it goes. I hear a breath coming. Oh. Did I wake you up? Did Dr. Joe wake you up? Oh my God, you poor little baby. Oh my God. He's back to sleep.
Oh.
Hi. Good to see you. Look at that face, how perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yes. You're just perfect. Look at your face and lips and everything. I know.
I love.
Or is it too late? Did yours shut off?
Nope, it's still on.
Oh, look at that face. Oh my God.
He's a cutie.
What was that?